Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Arvin, physio and counselor with Chaitanya Hospital. Today, I'm here to talk about acidity and heartburn. So, first of all, what it is. Heartburn is something which comes across usually in third trimester when our stomach space starts decreasing. And already the stomach acid, which is resting down in the stomach, it starts coming up to the food pipe. And it starts giving you a burning sensation from this level to this level, which definitely irritates you a lot, specifically when you lie down, right? So we have certain precautions to deal with it. First and foremost thing is food. Food with four aspects. That is one, when it is supposed to be eaten, what is supposed to be eaten, in what quantity is supposed to be eaten, and how it is supposed to be eaten. So, what is to be decided by the dietitian or the doctor? She'll be giving you the diet chart. You have to follow it by heart. Then, when it is supposed to be eaten, timing matters a lot. So, make sure that whenever you go to sleep, before that 2 hours previously, your dinner should be wind up. There should be a gap between your lying down position and your intake of your meals. That is very important. Before and after meal, you should make sure that you go for 10 minutes walk, which digests your food very beautifully. Do not sit or lie down immediately after having your food. Then, in what quantity? Always make sure that you divide your meal from 3 to 5 segments, which will definitely feed your stomach in a slow and steady manner, which won't give a lot of work to your stomach and it won't reside there for a longer period of time. The moment you feed a lot of stuff, the food won't get digested and it will stay in your stomach and will start creating those acidity and heartburn issues. So make sure that you give small quantities after every 1.5 hour, which will help you a lot for good digestion. Then very important is how it is supposed to be eaten. How means that you have to chew your food properly. When we quickly have our meals, we never focus on the chewing part. So make sure that you chew your food properly, which definitely cut down the work for the stomach as well. Apart from these things, there are certain more reasons why we do feel acidity and heartburns in pregnancy. First and foremost thing is water. If you take water with your meals, that is very, very wrong. So make sure that you take water before 15 minutes or after having your meal 15 minutes, you can take water, not with meals. Yes, of course, if you feel spicy, you can have a sip of it, but not a whole glass of water. That's very important. Then, apart from that, your clothing. If you're wearing tight clothes, that definitely impairs the circulation to the digestive system, which will definitely give you acidity and heartburn. So, make sure that you wear loose and comfortable clothes when you're having your meals specifically, and more importantly, on whole pregnancy, you should have loose and comfortable clothing, not the tight one, even the garments as well. So that's very important. Apart from that, we have the posture, which plays a very important role. So whenever you're lying down, you have to keep your head elevated. Never lie down straight flat, specifically in third trimester. Then, whenever you're getting up, take your side lying posture first and then get up. Don't go straight to your back. Don't come up straight with your back. That's very important. Then, when you're having your meal, make sure that you support your back nicely. That is very important. If you forward bend and have your meal, you're already compressing the compressed stomach, because the baby weight is increasing, that is getting compression from the uterus. You are again bending forward and compressing the stomach again. So make sure that you support your back beautifully, and which will give good space for the stomach to get the food digested. Then apart from that, we have another factor, that is fasting. If you're not feeding your stomach for a longer period of time, again you can tend to feel the same discomfort. So make sure that you feed your stomach after every 1.5 hour to feel comforted. So apart from this, we have a best solution to deal with this heartburn. We have a natural remedy, that is, we have to boil 1 liter of milk with 2 choti elaichi to the full flame, and then you have to cool it down. When you cool it down, sieve it and keep it into the fridge. Whenever you feel that you're having that burning sensation, you can have that milk in a sip by sip manner. Do not just gulp it in one moment. Just sit down and have it in a sip by sip manner, which works beautifully for your body to deal with heartburns. Apart from that, never take any antacid by yourself. Always consult the gynecologist for the same. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. We'll catch up with the next video. Take care.